After the refraction of light, now we discuss about the new topic, total internal reflection. What is the total internal reflection? When the ray of light is passes through from the denser medium to the rarer medium, if the value of the incident angle IC is greater than 90 plus alpha, that is known as the critical angle, and the phenomena is called total internal reflection. In our daily life, many examples of the total internal reflection, to like as the mirage, to like as the looming, to like as the optical fiber, and the prism is also example of the total internal reflection. When the rainbow formation, it is also example of the refraction of light, total internal reflection, and the dispersion of the light. What is the total internal reflection? Now we discuss about when a ray of light is passes through from denser medium to the rarer medium, if the value of incident angle is greater than 90 plus alpha, IC is more greater than 90 plus alpha, it is known as the critical angle, and the phenomena is called total internal reflection. Or in other words, we can say that the two main processes to develop by the total internal reflection. First, the ray of light is passes through from denser medium to rarer medium. If the value of incident angle IC is greater than 90 plus alpha, or angle of refraction R is equal to 90, then it is the process known as total internal reflection. We can be easily written that in that form, a ray of light passes through from denser medium to rarer medium. Now the second reason to develop for the total internal reflection, the value of refracted angle R is equal to 90. The many example of the total internal reflection in our daily life, to like as the optical fiber. What is optical fiber? That is simply represented by this type of diagram. To like as, it was the metallic wire, it is known as core, and the insulating material, to like as rubber, plastic, nylon, it is also known as cladding. The total internal reflection is the example of the optical fiber, and optical fiber will be take an important part in our daily life, to like as the endoscopy. In the medical purpose, when the doctor to be observe the patient, if any part of the organs to be defected or different types of the injuries or pain is developed in your internal organs of the body, but X-ray, ultrasound will not be observe the affected part, then it will be used for the optical fiber by the process of endoscopy. Endoscopy, that was the combination of two or more optical fibers tube to be go inside of your body with help of the person. In afterward, when the optical fiber to be entered in your body, then we observe that the picture of the monitor to be formed, the affected part is in organism. That is the endoscopy, and we are also used in the information technology in IT sector. In the IT sector, optical fiber that will be also transmitted to the wave from one point to another point. When the person to be live match, okay, look the live match of like as the Australia and India in that time, we are observed that the many cameramen to be do the performance for the video recording with help of the big cameras, and it will be converted in form of the transmitted channel to like as the transmitted wave with help of the transmitted channel to abandon in atmosphere. If the abandoned in atmosphere, that was the before the ionosphere, then the total ray of light to be reflects back to light as in same process. That is the transmitter channel. जैसा कि आप वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग में देखते हैं, कोई मैच आपने लाइव देखा, ठीक है, तो लाइव मैच क्या है बेटा, वो भी टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन का एग्जांपल है। आप देखते हैं कि ग्राउंड में बहुत से कैमरामैन बैठे हुए हैं और वो किसी चीज़ का लाइव टेलीकास्ट करते हैं। तो लाइव का मतलब कि जो जीवित तुमको दिखाई दे रही है, माने जो चीज़ें प्रेजेंट टाइम में चल रही हैं, आप पॉइंट टू पॉइंट उस चीज़ को देख रहे हैं, वो भी प्रोसेस जो है टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन पे बेस्ड है। होता है क्या, वहाँ पर कैमरामैन बड़े बड़े वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग के माध्यम से उसको ट्रांसमिटेड चैनल के माध्यम से उस तरंग को रेडियो वेव के फॉर्म में ऐसे हवा में भेज देते। अब रेडियो वेव के फॉर्म में जैसे हवा में जाता है, ऊपर एटमॉस्फेयर है हमारा, ऐसे डिफरेंट लेयर में अर्थ जो है वो डिवाइडेड है, ट्रोपोस्फीयर, मेसोस्फीयर, ओजोन लेयर, केल्ली लेयर, थर्मोस्फीयर। तो बिफोर द आइनोस्फीयर, that was the ionosphere. Its range is 250 km to approx 350 km. Then the transmitted to go away in atmosphere to like as the before ionosphere, the total ray of light to be reflect back in the direction of Earth, क्योंकि आइनोस्फीयर डेंसर मीडियम होगा और ऐसी स्थिति में क्या होगा कि पूरी की पूरी जो ट्रांसमिटेड वेव है वो आइनोस्फीयर के पहले क्या होगी बेटा, टकरा के रिफ्लेक्ट होकर वापस एटमॉस्फेयर यानी अर्थ की तरफ मूव कर जाएगी। और ऐसी स्थिति में क्या होगा, आपका जो रिसीवर चैनल होगा वो रिसीवर चैनल क्या है, जैसे आपके घर में लगा हुआ डिश एंटीना, तो जो डिश का एंटीना होता है, एंटीना का मतलब क्या होता है, दैट विल बी कैप्चर टू द इमिटेड फ्रीक्वेंसी बाय द ट्रांसमिटेड चैनल। What is antenna? Antenna is generally two type and it will be changed to the one form of energy to another form. Like as transmitted wave is emitted to the radio frequency. The range of the radio frequency is 3 megahertz to 40 मेगाहर्ट्ज। ऐसी स्थिति में जब ट्रांसमिटेड चैनल के माध्यम से तरंग क्या की जाएगी, इमिट की जाएगी एटमॉस्फेयर की तरफ, तो ऐसी स्थिति में क्या होगा, आइनोस्फीयर के पहले वो टोटल क्या हो जाएगी, रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगी। क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या बनेगा बेटा, क्रिटिकल एंगल। कि व्हाट इज क्रिटिकल एंगल, व्हेन द वैल्यू ऑफ इंसिडेंट एंगल आईसी इज ग्रेटर देन 90 प्लस अल्फा आर, angle of refraction r is equal to 90, then the total ray will be reflect back in the direction of earth. That is a critical angle and the phenomena is called total internal reflection. And afterward our receiver channel to be capture the frequency and it will be changed to the form of radio wave into form of sound wave and we can observe any picture, ठीक है, at our TV. That is the system of the total internal reflection.